To download Summertime Saga on your Android, go to Google and search Summertime Saga, and you need to visit this first link. Tap here, wait for it to load, and then you will find this website. Scroll down, and as you can see, Android 64-bit. Just tap the middle one and then wait for some time. Now you will find this download option. Tap here. These ads, just annoying ads, just close these ads. And as you can see, this message will pop up, so you just need to download it anyway. So this is not a virus, this is we have downloading it from the official website. So this is just a safety feature on Android. Download it anyway, and there we go. There you can see it's downloading Summertime Saga. As you can see, it's 897 MB. So this game is a very long game. So yeah, that's how you